Inflation is skyrocketing, right? So in this video, I will give you some tips on how to manage money in this type of market and tips on how to make money during this tough period. First, it's important to understand what inflation is. Inflation is simply a rise in prices of goods and services. It is increasing day by day, and so is your cost of living and mine. So here are certain ways to manage your money during this rising inflation. One is cut down on necessary expenses. Make a list of everything you spend on and then differentiate between your needs and wants. Needs are things you use regularly. Wants are things you buy for your comfort or luxury. Go through all of this to understand what fits your needs and wants. In times of rising inflation, this exercise will help you identify ways to save and manage your money efficiently. 2 is just getting smart with your budgeting. It's time to reevaluate your spending plan and get back to the budgeting basics. The 50-30-20 rule ideally allocates 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and investments. 3, look at each expensive item and seek better deals or offers. Since inflation is squeezing your wallet and mine, it's important that you hunt for better deals and offers when making a purchase. All of this, and including rewards and cash back, are great ways that aid in saving that extra money. 4 is maintain an emergency fund. As inflation rises, you may need to set aside additional funds to manage your expenses. Therefore, it's important to have an emergency fund that is at least 6 months of your expenses and can be quickly and easily available when an emergency strikes. Now, I'm going to give you a little tip on how you can make money during an inflation market. Now, I could talk to you about investing in gold, commodities like livestock and timber, in real estate, in crypto, and so on. But I actually want to talk to you about how you can make money investing practically nothing, and that is dropshipping. Dropshipping is an order fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the product it sells in stock. First, your customer places an order from your eBay store. Then your store automatically sends the order to your dropshipping supplier. The supplier prepares your customer's order and ships the order directly to your customer. If that business model interests you, make sure to watch the video eBay dropshipping tutorial. You guys, that's it for this video. I wish you the best of luck on your money making journey.